Good afternoon. I often receive many great tips and suggestions in comment section, and I thought in today's video to make a video about one suggestion that came from Andy Cousins. It's quite interesting. He suggested in one of my recent restoration videos that I could use homemade vinegar rust wood stain. I researched a bit and find out that there is many great videos on YouTube with two ingredients, vinegar and steel wool. You can make a wonderful wood stain. So I thought this could be a great video and to try to mix vinegar with brass, vinegar with copper, some coal and old rusty nails to see the difference. Here I have reused vinegar many times. As you can see, it's already reddish and I could use it right away. But I want just to get slightly darker color, and mixture with old nails I will hopefully get better results. Let's start with the easiest one, and that is just to put these rusty nails in this glass container. These nails actually came from pulling them out from reclaimed wood, what I used here in workshop. Now I'm gonna put that aside, probably wait a week or so. Just a quick disclaimer, please don't use copper or brass for any wood stain where it's near to the food, pets, kids, and it can be dangerous. You don't want copper or brass in your body, so just keep that in mind. Now I'm gonna do a bit of copper, and I will cut it in as small pieces as possible. You could of course use bigger chunks of copper like so, but that will take a longer time to react, and if you're in a rush I suggest you cut them. This should be enough. We just want to test it out, not to make a huge amount. My hope for copper and the brass is to get a bit of a greenish color, and for that one I'm gonna use a clean vinegar. By the way, this is a 7% white vinegar. If you want even faster results, you could use, for example, higher concentrate white vinegar, 35% or so. Basically repeat the same process for the brass. Cut it in small bits and place it in a new container. And the last but not least is coal. I will try to make a nice powder. We want to get a finer dust. I want to test out two jars with coal dust. One will be with pure white vinegar, and the second one I will use already processed vinegar with rust. That should be enough. I'm gonna use wax to make a strip in the middle so I can divide two different surfaces and I can apply a different mixture from here. And let's do our last one. We are all set and now it's just a matter of waiting. I will be checking this one on a couple of days and a week. After 3 days, the copper one looks much greener than the brass one. The rust in this one fall down quite a bit. Vinegar and coal didn't change much. It been basically settled down and I need to stir or shake. The same with this one. Copper has definitely the best color so far. After 6 days, the copper became really green. The brass is still greenish. This one became slightly saturated. And these two didn't change much. Now is a good time to try and test on our wood pieces. I'm gonna use one of these brushes. They are over 100 years old. Alright, let's see what time is it. Now is 7:45. We're gonna wait 15 minutes. I want to apply one more coat, leave it overnight and see tomorrow how it's gonna look. And here are the results the day after. We're gonna use this one as a reference piece. and the last one. They are all unique in one way or another. I like this one because of a grayish finish from coal, vinegar and rust. Has that nice darker but still reddish tone. And I'm not sure how much you can see this one. In person is greenish. I would love to hear what is your favorite. If you have any similar suggestions that I could experiment, that would be great. I would appreciate that. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're gonna give thumbs up. Of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much and see you in the next one. Bye bye!